Hey everyone! Today, we're putting four note-taking giants to the test. Apple Notes, Goodnotes 6, Notability, and Onenote to find out which is the ultimate tool right now. For a quick rundown, Apple Notes is simple, fast, and deeply integrated with the Apple ecosystem. Goodnotes 6 is famous for its smooth handwriting and detailed organization. Notability stands out for audio sync notes and quick markup, and OneNote shines in cross-platform access and powerful free-form layouts. When we compare them, for handwriting and stylus support, Goodnotes 6 leads here, with Notability close behind. For speed and simplicity, Apple Notes is unbeatable for quick thoughts. For multimedia and recording, Notability's audio sync is a huge plus for students. For cross-platform access, OneNote works seamlessly on almost any device. And for the price, Apple Notes and OneNote are free. Goodnotes 6 and Notability are paid but offer more advanced handwriting tools. If you want fast and free, go with Apple Notes. For polished handwriting and deep organization, Goodnotes 6 is king. If you rely on lectures or meetings, Notability is your best bet. And if you need ultimate flexibility across devices, OneNote is the winner. The truth? The best note-taking tool is the one that fits your workflow. Which one do you use daily? Let us know in the comments below. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.